What's up, guys? It's JJ with Blockchain Candy. Hey, today we're doing a video on my top 3 AI artificial intelligence cryptos that I think we should look into for 2023. I think as we get closer to this bull run that's going to be happening within the next couple of months to a year, who knows, the trend seems to be leaning towards artificial intelligence, and there's a lot of things that are going on within that platform. So with that being said, I'm gonna take a look at my top 3 cryptos in the artificial intelligence area, and let's get to it and see what we got. All right, everybody. So let's look at my top 3 cryptos within the AI space that I think may make some long-term headwinds in regards to price points. Now, keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. Everything that we go over is my strict opinion. Y'all make sure y'all do y'all's research and due diligence when y'all are investing and doing anything when it comes to money. I don't want to see anybody lose their money. I'm not telling you to buy these coins. I'm not telling you to sell these coins. So just keep in mind to do your own due diligence, do your research before purchasing any of these things. This is all strictly opinion. So with that being said, I think Ocean Protocol is one that we should really look at in the AI space, considering what we've been looking at from a Web 2 and Web 3 issues that's been going on within the last couple of years. As y'all know, Web 2, we've seen companies like Google, Facebook, where they consume most of the data that we put on the internet, okay? They pretty much control everything. And as of right now, we're trying to move toward a Web 3 platform to where everything becomes more decentralized. It's not owned by a major corporation like Google or Facebook, who takes our data and sells our data to third-party companies, okay? Now, the reason I like Ocean Protocol, and the main reason for Ocean Protocol, is as we scroll through here, is we see that it's a decentralized market to publish, discover, and consume data. Now, what does that mean? Like I said, with Facebook and Google, when you post something on Facebook or you send in messages, they know what you're looking at. You ever notice, like when you're on your cell phone or something, you'll be talking about, who knows, watermelon or a certain car you want to buy, and the next thing you know, those ads pop up on your phone, and they use cookies and they steal your data to target the audience for specific things that they're trying to sell a person. They sell that data to third-party companies. So with that being said, Ocean Protocol uses a decentralized marketplace where you're actually able to keep your data, right? But you can actually tokenize your data, which means you're actually able to sell it. Now, some might say, why would I want to sell my data? Now, some people don't want to sell their data, but there's certain things that you may be willing to give up from a privacy standpoint. That's your choice, where you might want to tokenize the amount of data or whatever that you have, and you might want to make some money on it, right? So instead of just giving it away for free to Facebook and Google and to some of these other companies that are stealing your data and selling to third-party companies, you're actually able to tokenize it and make money from and decide which data you want to share with individuals or companies. So as we scroll through this website, we see the Ocean Market, and then it talks about data farming and data challenges. This has already been featured in New York Times, BBC, Forbes, Wired, and some of these other ones. All right, so a lot of companies are already catching on to Ocean Protocol. Okay. And right here, as we see, on-ramp and off-ramp for data assets into DeFi. So we're into that DeFi platform. We're moving toward Web3, where our data is secure, it remains private, and we're able to keep it away from these large corporations. It looks like this is based on the Ethereum platform with the ERC tokens. All right, and we can see this with crypto wallets, exchanges, DAOs become data wallets, exchanges, and DAOs. So they're using all this information right here to create an environment or an area where we're able to share this data with third parties. As we scroll down, we see it right here. Data marketplaces with blockchain superpowers. Use Ocean Market to publish data and buy data. Earn by selling or running your own fork on the Ocean Market, okay? Let's scroll down some more. Same thing, buy and sell private data while preserving your privacy, just like I said. If we go up here and look, and y'all can go through this website, these are all brief descriptions of these coins. Just want to kind of give you an idea of what they actually do. Okay, so if we click learn, we go to the roadmap and papers, we can kind of see that this thing started in November 17, and they released the white papers, and they've been going strong since 2017. So this project looks legit as of right now, and y'all could check all the different areas of the roadmap. What's interesting and what I like, and if y'all notice a lot of my videos, I'm always interested in, you know, how can you make money, especially during these bear markets. Can we stake the coins? And it looks like as we scroll down into the roadmap area, they are currently working on the Ocean staking Q3 2022. So they may be a little behind on this, but at some point, it looks like with the Ocean protocol token, at some point we'll be able to stake. Okay, so this is huge. You know, hopefully they give a good APR, and I'll probably be making a video about this once staking is possible on the Ocean protocol network. So I just wanted to show y'all this. Y'all can check out the white paper, business strategy, and get into more details regarding this. Like I said, y'all do y'all's own research and due diligence when y'all are investing. I'm not telling you to buy this, but this is one of the ones I like just based on some of the research I did. So with that being said, we'll check out number 2 crypto in the AI space that I think is worth taking a look at. I just want to tell y'all, before we move beyond Ocean protocol, we can look right here on marketcap.com and kind of check where the price points were. We were looking at around, in 2019, we've seen a price of around 3 cents. And then during that bull market and run, we got Ocean protocol up to around $1.75. And we've seen it come down since then. Now, if you look, we've been in about the 17, 19, 15 cent range, right in that area. It looks like it's starting to pump back up. We've seen a kind of an increase in Bitcoin within the last month. You know, a lot of things are going on. I think we're still being hurt by some of the FTX stuff that's going on. So if y'all were thinking to buy this coin, I would definitely wait until everything cooled off, maybe in the 15 cent range. It looks like as of right now, we're around 35 cents, which seems a little high. But if y'all are interested in this, I would definitely wait for it to cool off before buying. But this may be a good buy at some point within the next month or two. All right, with that being said, let's move to Crypto Coin 2 in regards to AI intelligence. All right, guys. The second coin that I really like in regards to AI is going to be the Fetch AI coin. I think this is an important coin when it comes to different businesses, and I'm going to go over some of the businesses and how this coin affects that. So this coin is working on a bunch of projects, okay? I mean, the Fetch AI is working on a bunch of projects in the ecosystem, and as we scroll through this website, we can see that we have things such as CoLearn, Axum, Atomics, Mobix, Katina, and it just goes on and on. They're working on a bunch of things. Now, why this is important, and we'll click on Axum and look, is this type of artificial intelligence kind of helps to show businesses what they're doing correctly, and then helps to enhance those features. And then it also can scan to what things or the weaknesses are in the company and work on logistics and things to help boost, you know, the weaknesses. So if you look right here, it talks about empowering, secure, insightful, and accessible, right? Unlocking value from the data that businesses have to kind of see which way is the business going. If it's doing really, really good, let's continue to focus on those things. Where are we falling short in some areas, right? Is it from a marketing standpoint? You know, there's different ways that it can help out. And then the AI takes all this information and it works on a plan to focus on that. So as we scroll down, we can see that, you know, these 3 or 4 major things, which is finance and banking, healthcare, and manufacturing, which are huge for the economy in the US or even in the world. We noticed that, you know, using the data, we can, you know, help to implement risk management processes, analyze customer spending patterns. So there's tons of corporations that can use this information from an artificial intelligence standpoint, okay? Even in healthcare, we're looking at improved quality of life, avoiding preventable diseases, and reducing costs, right? Hospitals are always trying to reduce costs, especially in this day and age of how everything's going. And then from a manufacturing standpoint, using data-driven information to improve your operations, right? So I just found that this, based on from a corporate standpoint, major businesses will be using this type of artificial intelligence to improve their business models. Okay, so I think this is a great one. I could punch it in up here and kind of see where the price is. Let's look at Fetch real quick. So in regards to Fetch AI, let's look at all. We're probably looking at around the same thing. So we started around 24 cents, and then we really dropped into the 3, 4, and 5 cents. We've seen the bull run where it got up to around 82 cents and all the way back down to 8 cents. And we've seen a little spike, like I said, since the Bitcoin rally. You know, most of these things tend to follow Bitcoin. Still a little high. We're at 26 to 29 cents as of this video being made. I would wait for the cool down of maybe around 8 to 10 cents. If you're going to buy it, I'm not telling you to buy it, but if you do, wait for the cool down. But this is another one that's on my radar that I think would be great for the long term. And with that being said, let's move toward my number one coin that I think, based on the research, that is going to be great for artificial intelligence in the future. All right, peeps, this is my last one. We're looking at Alethia AI, which is the artificial liquid intelligence token. This one's pretty cool. This one's supported by Mark Cuban. He is an investor in this. This has a lot of projects going on also. Now, I found this interesting because if y'all watched my last video, I talked about Chat GPT and DALL-E, right? So if y'all not familiar with Chat GPT and DALL-E, these are artificial intelligence platforms that have been created recently that can really pretty much do a lot of things. It can write papers, like literal college essays. It passed the law boards in one of the states, and it's just by punching in a bunch of information, you're able to get this whole list of solved problems pretty much. So people and programmers were actually putting in code to be debugged, and it was actually ChatGPT was actually doing it. And this is just pretty much a beta version of it that's been released on the OpenAI website, and I can post that down here if y'all want to see it. But this stuff's really moving along from an artificial intelligence standpoint. So with DALL-E and with this new character GPT, we're starting to see in natural language, so they're using regular English or text, and they're pretty much describing what they want, and then the artificial intelligence takes the information or the text and converts it into a character. So it's pretty crazy how computers are starting to be able to take this information and create artificial intelligence with just our words. So as we scroll down on this site, we notice, like I was saying, Character GPT makes text to character reality. It's a revolutionary artificial intelligence system that allows users to quickly generate interactive characters with distinct appearances, voices, intelligence, personalities, and identities. Now, what makes this interesting is they're going to call these are kind of like NFTs, right? Non-fungible tokens, which you can own. Now, what makes it a little more special is the fact that these will be called NFTs, and these things you'll be able to own specifically, you know, for each person, but you can increase the intelligence and provide specific things with each character that you create, right? So the intelligence can be increased, the personality, and all these things. So these things are going to be important as we move towards a metaverse. So you might ask, why would you want to have a character or whatever? And why is it even important or, you know? So it really comes down to tokenization and being able to make money from these things. So pretty much as having an NFT or an NFT, the AI character exists on the blockchain as an NFT, enabling their creators to verify their ownership, just like any NFT. And then the data sovereignty, digital labor, the tokenized AI character benefits their owners who get to curate and customize the data sets that are added to the knowledge bases of their AI characters. So pretty much it's all customization, right? And it's a character asset. And then, like I said, you know, we can work on the intelligence customization, how smart these things are, and decentralized interoperability, right? We're not working on a centralized network. Everything will be decentralized, all right, within that ecosystem, providing dApps with an existing user base to target, okay? So last, we look here, the AI protocol uses the artificial liquid intelligence utility token, All right, it's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so I love Ethereum. Okay, it's one of my favorite coins. They're constantly building all these smart contracts and platforms on the Ethereum blockchain, and this is another really good one. If we go to coinmarketcap.com and check out artificial liquid intelligence, we can see that the overview year to date. Well, let's go to all. We're looking at around 4 cents with a spike around April 2022, and ever since we're looking around the 16-17 cent range with a bump up, just like I said. For the other two, we're around 33 cents. So if y'all can get this between 8 and 10 cents, this would be a good buy. So wait for it to cool down. But these are my top 3 cryptos. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all put them down in the comments. There are links to each 3 of these crypto coins on the in the description, so check those out. If y'all looking for free Bitcoin, we have a Bitcoin $25 free Bitcoin giveaway in a video, which will be right around here once this video ends. Make sure y'all go check the video out and comment so y'all can be entered for the 25 and free Bitcoin. It's super easy to win. There's no reason why y'all shouldn't be subscribed and be able to benefit from getting $25 in free Bitcoin. I've done a couple of videos. As far as NFTs, check out Upland and Aftermath Islands, which is also in the description, the links, if y'all are looking for some other NFTs. And if y'all looking for a Coinbase account, you can get $20 in free Bitcoin or $10 in free Bitcoin opening up a Coinbase or an Uphold account, which is also in the description. Or if y'all looking for a NANO X or TREZOR cold wallet, I'm big on the cold wallets. Y'all need to get these things, get y'all's money off the exchanges, because these exchanges crash all the time, right? They go bankrupt. So get y'all a NANO X or Trevor T if you'd like. Other than that, this is everything that I got for this video. I appreciate all the support, and I will see y'all soon. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Thanks.